Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone screen dims automatically. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, first of all, increase the brightness and turn off auto brightness here. So for this, open settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down and tap to turn this auto brightness off and increase your brightness here. So after this, go back. So the next solution is turn off reduce white point on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down, and here you can see guys, reduce white point. So if you have enabled this, turn this off. So go back. The next solution is disable screen zoom on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on display and brightness, scroll down, tap on view, so display zoom. So guys, if you are using zoom display, so enable after disable this, tap on default and tap on done, go back. So guys, the next solution is turn off dark mode, true tone and night shift if you are using this. So for this, open the control center, tap and hold on the brightness icon. So tap to turn true tone, turn off all options here, night shift, dark mode. So turn off all options here. So after this, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So for this, open lock screen here after this. So guys, make sure your iPhone is not too hot. And the last solution is open settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your iPhone issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.